Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make like a 30-minute wig. This is a $20 lace closure that I bought from the beauty supply store. It is Brazilian hair. So to start off this wig, what I'm going to do is sew the closure down because I do want the closure to be secure to the wig. So when I'm sewing on the closure, as you can see, I'm going under and I'm doing my stitches close together and tight. So now I'm just going to prep my actual hair for the rest of the wig. What I'm going to do is put on this plastic cap. Well, I guess it's like a plastic bag, really. And I'm just going to secure it in the back. And I do have a stocking cap on under the plastic cap. That's just, something extra I did. But now I'm going to use my little clips to just clip the bag in place. And what I'm going to do is the rest of the wig, I'm just going to put on my head. And as you can see, the closure is sewn on. And I'm doing it this way so that I'm sure that the wig is going to fit my head really secure. Okay, so before anybody asks, I do not know what kind of hair this is. I have a really cool story that I'm going to tell you guys about this hair, but you'll have to wait until next video. So I am going to double track the weft. So what I'm doing is I'm going to put some glue on one of the tracks, and I'm going to put it all the way down the track that I just measured, and I'm going to push both of the tracks together, which is going to seal it together, and that's going to make it double tracked, and that's going to make the double track stay. The reason that I'm doubling the back is because I'm going to put 3 bundles in, and I want them all to fit because I want it to be really nice and full. So once I sandwich both of the tracks together to make a double track, I'm just going to apply glue again on the outside of the track, and this time I'm going to spray it with spritz, and I'm going to spray the wig cap with spritz, and then I'm just going to start laying the tracks down just like this. And I love the 30-second bond glue. That's what I'm using. It's really good. I think they sell it everywhere now. And so I'm just going to continue with the next row, and like I said, this is still the first bundle, and I'm still doubling the tracks. Okay, so now I'm done with the first bundle. As y'all can see, it looks really full, and I used my blow dryer to blow dry it. Now I'm gonna go in with the second bundle, and I'm just gonna lay it in the U shape that I have it going. Now you want to make sure that you have enough glue on the track so that the track don't come up once the glue dry. You want to make sure that your track is like really secure on your wig, so make sure that you apply enough glue. If this is something that you're going to do on your own head, do not worry about how it look in the back, as long as the finishing result is what you like. It'll be a little easier if you do it on someone else's head or use a mannequin head so you can actually see where you put in the tracks. But this way works just fine for me. This is how it looks once I'm finished. As you can see, I laid tracks right up until where the closure is, and I'm just going to blow dry it to ensure that everything is dry on the cap. And once I'm done blow drying it like this, I'm going to take the cap off, and I'm going to pull the plastic out of the cap, and I'm going to dry the inside of the cap. That's going to help the hair dry onto the cap also. So what I'm doing now is I just have some moves. I'm just going to lay down my closure just so it'll be flat. It's kind of like crinkly a little bit. And what I'm going to do is just style it out a little bit. I decided to straighten it, like lightly straighten it with a flat iron. And this is how it looks. As y'all can see, it's very nice, very full. There's no tracks coming out. This is a really quick wig. It's going to take you 30 minutes. If you're new to it, it may take you longer. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.